work on how to correctly compare fractions using greater than, less than, greater than, equal to. Okay, so we have two fractions, 5/8 and 7/8. And what we're going to do is I need to make 8 equal parts, right? So my whole is going to be broken up into 8. I have students use graph paper because all they have to do is trace over the lines. So we're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect, because oops. Oh, Lord. So here we have very difficult for me to draw straight lines. So hopefully, actually this does help with drawing a straight line. So here we have. So students have graph paper. All they have to do is, and I always tell them, just trace the line, because students at a third grade level tend to want to just draw something without really following the line. So here's our first one as best as I could, right? Move this a little bit up. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's not yet 5/8. So for it to be 5/8, first thing I want to do is label. For it to be 5/8, I then have to shade it in. So I'm going to shade in. Oops. One, as best as I can. 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here we go. So all this space covers 5/8. Right. The next one is 7/8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, same thing. We want it close to it, but we don't want it to be right under it, because then that'll make 16 pieces and we don't want that. Excuse me. Okay, so 5/8 up here, we need 7/8. So we're gonna have to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 8. Let's label it first. Okay, now we're gonna color in 7 out of the 8. All right, so that's as best as I can kind of color it in. Okay, so we have 7/8. So now we can clearly see that 7/8 is more than 5/8. We started at the same point here. We went over and filled in 5/8, which stops right here. But if you look at 7/8, goes all the way over there. Okay, so I also have students write this on their paper. So I had them write 5/8 symbol 7/8, and the reason why I did that was because I noticed that they were actually like they could tell me the correct one, but when they went to fill it in on here, they would choose an incorrect one. Okay, so 5/8 is less than 7/8, and this is what I tell kids. I'm gonna kind of move this one up here a little bit. that 8 just morphed into something. I don't know what. So what I tell them is the alligator is going to eat the larger one. So obviously this is more. So the alligator is going to eat that one. So it looks like an alligator mouth. Okay. And then I had them actually take their paper, bring it to the computer screen so that they could clearly see that it's this one. Okay. Because a lot of kids could not see that. Okay. So this is the answer, right? 5/8 is less than 7/8. And that's it.